Welcome to Palermo, the cultural capital of Sicily, where history comes alive and vibrant city life meets ancient traditions. Join us as we embark on a journey to discover the hidden gems of this captivating city. Palermo is a vibrant city located on the northern coast of the island of Sicily, Italy. It serves as the capital of the autonomous region of Sicily and is the fifth largest city in Italy. With a rich history spanning over 2,700 years, Palermo is renowned for its cultural heritage, diverse architecture, bustling markets, and delicious cuisine. The city has been influenced by various civilizations throughout its history, including the Phoenicians, Greeks, Romans, Byzantines, Arabs, Normans, and Spanish. This amalgamation of cultures is evident in Palermo's architecture, which features a captivating blend of different styles and influences. Our journey begins with an aerial view of Palermo, a city that has witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations throughout the centuries. Located on the northern coast of Sicily, Palermo boasts a rich and diverse history, reflected in its magnificent architecture and cultural heritage. One of the most iconic landmarks in Palermo is the Palermo Cathedral. Its impressive facade showcases the city's architectural evolution, with elements ranging from Norman to Gothic and neoclassical. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by breathtaking mosaics and elaborate chapels, each telling a story of Palermo's religious and artistic past. Another must-visit destination is the Norman Palace, an extraordinary testament to the city's history. Originally built by the Arabs in the 9th century, it later became the seat of the Norman kings. Inside, you'll find the stunning Palatine Chapel, adorned with glittering mosaics and intricate stonework. This remarkable fusion of Byzantine, Arab, and Norman artistry is a true marvel. Palermo is not complete without immersing yourself in the city's vibrant street life. The local markets, such as the bustling Bolaro market, offer a sensory feast for visitors. Wander through narrow alleyways filled with stalls selling colorful fruits, aromatic spices, and freshly caught seafood. The lively atmosphere and friendly vendors make it an unforgettable experience. And speaking of sensory delights, Palermo is renowned for its gastronomy. Sicilian cuisine is a melting pot of flavors, influenced by various cultures that have shaped the island's history. Don't miss the chance to savor local specialties such as arancini, cannoli, and panelle. Palermo's restaurants and street food vendors will take you on a culinary journey you won't soon forget. As the day comes to an end, head to the coast to witness a breathtaking sunset over the Tyrrhenian Sea. Palermo's waterfront offers stunning views and a tranquil atmosphere to reflect on the city's rich tapestry of culture and history. From its architectural wonders and bustling markets to its delectable cuisine and stunning sunsets, Palermo truly captivates the hearts of all who visit. Until next time, thank you for taking this journey with me throughout all of Italy and Sicily. I pray you to have a great day.